Welcome to the Wireless Network Engineer Career Guide. In this video, we'll explore the exciting field of Wi-Fi and mobile network design, where professionals plan and deploy wireless infrastructure that connects millions of devices worldwide. Whether you're interested in Wi-Fi networks, cellular systems, or a combination of both, this role offers diverse opportunities in a rapidly evolving industry. Wireless network engineers work across four main domains. First, Wi-Fi networks, which involves managing Wi-Fi 6 standards, access points, conducting site surveys, and optimizing coverage areas. Second, mobile networks, covering 4G and 5G infrastructure, cell tower placement, and frequency planning. Third, network design, where you architect entire systems, analyze capacity, and create performance models. Finally, security and performance, ensuring encrypted communications, managing interference, and optimizing network speed and reliability. As a wireless network engineer, your day-to-day responsibilities include conducting site surveys and assessments to analyze terrain, building structures, and potential sources of interference. You'll perform comprehensive network planning to design optimal network topology and coverage patterns. You'll handle deployment and configuration of network equipment, including installation and frequency management. Finally, you'll focus on performance optimization by continuously monitoring metrics, troubleshooting issues, and enhancing overall network capacity as demand grows. To succeed in wireless network engineering, you need expertise in three key areas. Radio frequency engineering covers frequency bands, signal propagation theory, antenna design principles, and interference analysis. Network standards knowledge includes deep understanding of 802.11 Wi-Fi standards, 4G and 5G protocols, network architecture, and quality of service management. Finally, tools and software proficiency with site survey tools, network simulators, analysis software, and optimization platforms is essential for modern wireless engineering work. Wi-Fi network design involves two critical components. Coverage planning requires calculating the number of access points needed to achieve desired signal strength levels, accounting for wall attenuation and physical obstacles, planning roaming and handoff zones between access points, and implementing redundancy in critical areas. Channel management means assigning non-overlapping channels, typically 1, 6, and 11 in the 2.4 GHz band, utilizing the 5 GHz band for higher capacity networks, monitoring interference sources, and using dynamic frequency selection for radar-protected frequency bands. Mobile network infrastructure requires different planning approaches. Cell tower planning involves conducting coverage gap analysis to identify underserved areas, determining optimal tower locations using mathematical models, calculating precise antenna height and tilt angles, and planning backhaul connectivity to connect towers to the core network. Capacity planning requires forecasting traffic demand and predicting future growth patterns, dimensioning cell sizes appropriately for expected users, balancing coverage versus capacity trade-offs, and allocating available spectrum efficiently across the network. Understanding Wi-Fi standards is crucial. 802.11 AC operates on 5 GHz with maximum speeds of 1.3 gigabits per second and a range of approximately 50 meters, ideal for enterprise and high-density environments. 802.11 AX, also known as Wi-Fi 6, works on both 2.4 and 5 GHz bands, reaching 9.6 gigabits per second, perfect for modern networks with many Internet of Things devices. 802.11n operates on both frequency bands with 600 megabits per second, still used for legacy system support. The newest 802.11be, called Wi-Fi 7, spans 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands, delivering 46 gigabits per second for next-generation deployments. Professional wireless engineers use specialized tools for site assessment. Wi-Fi analyzers help you identify available networks, measure signal strength, detect interference patterns, and understand channel utilization in real time. Site survey software provides predictive modeling capabilities, generates coverage heat maps for visualization, and recommends optimal access point placement locations. Radio frequency measurement tools include spectrum analyzers for frequency analysis, power meters for signal measurement, and antenna testing equipment for verification. Network performance tools measure actual throughput, assess latency, evaluate capacity limitations, and analyze handoff behavior between access points. Deployment involves two distinct phases. The installation phase includes physically installing access points at planned locations according to your design, configuring network names, security protocols, and transmit power levels appropriately, performing comprehensive pre-launch testing and validation to ensure everything works correctly, and documenting the complete network topology with all settings for future reference. Ongoing optimization requires continuously monitoring signal strength and coverage throughout the network, adjusting transmit power, channels, and antenna angles to maintain performance, managing interference issues and co-channel problems as the network matures, and planning capacity additions to accommodate growing user demands and new technologies. The wireless engineering field offers excellent career growth opportunities. Growth areas include 5G network deployment and optimization as these networks roll out globally, Wi-Fi 6E and 7 implementation in modern organizations, Internet of Things, and edge computing networks requiring specialized design, and network security and compliance as these become increasingly critical. Career progression paths lead to specialized RF engineer roles focusing purely on radio frequency work, network design architect positions overseeing multiple projects, technical management and leadership roles supervising engineering teams, or consulting and independent practice serving multiple clients as an expert contractor. Wireless network engineering bridges radio frequency theory with practical real-world network deployment. Both Wi-Fi and mobile networks require systematic planning, careful optimization, and ongoing management to deliver reliable connectivity. Continuous learning is essential because wireless standards and technologies evolve rapidly, and staying current with industry changes is vital for career success. These roles are in high demand with excellent compensation and career growth potential. To succeed, master the fundamental concepts, stay current with evolving standards, and build practical expertise through hands-on experience with real-world wireless networks.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.